name is Karine Cabral. I'm doing health assistance at nursing at Canada College. So for me, the healthy area is really important. And since I was a kid, I really love to kind of people. I like to take care of the people. My dream was doing in the healthy area, medicine, and then I chose the program at Canada College, the assistance of nursing, and I really enjoy. So the practical is really good. I think it's so important to us have this experience before going to a stage, before going to a hospital, so we can have like the good practice, we can have the knowledge that's so good for us. Is really important and useful. I think Canada College is a good college. They are really organized. They care about us, they have a good books, they have a good subjects that are so important for us. It's necessary to us have everything, and they give us information about it. I really enjoy and I'm really happy what I learned here. So a tip that I gave, you need to really be organized, focused, you need to take it seriously because you take care about the people's health. I think it's really important to enter with this mind and always study a lot.